What are literature notes and how do I organize them? Have you ever wondered how to make the most out of your reading and lectures? Literature notes could be the key to unlocking a better understanding of your texts. So, what exactly are literature notes? These notes focus on capturing essential information, ideas, themes, and arguments from literary texts or academic readings. They help you track important details like plot points, character analysis, themes, quotes, and critical interpretations. This is vital for discussing literary works effectively. Now let's talk about how to organize these notes effectively. First, focus on big ideas rather than just jotting down details. Instead of copying text word for word, try to distill the material into core questions, evidence, and conclusions. For example, frame a question about a theme or character, note the supporting evidence from the text, and write down your conclusion or interpretation. This method encourages active engagement with the material and makes your notes easier to review later. Next, consider using structured note-taking methods. The Cornell method is a great option. Divide your page into sections. On the left side, write down main ideas, themes, or questions related to the literature. On the right side, record detailed notes, explanations, or textual evidence. At the bottom, summarize the key points or your reflections. This structure makes it easier to quiz yourself and reinforce your learning. Another effective strategy is to summarize and track themes. Use tools or systems that help you identify recurring themes or motifs across chapters or texts. For example, color-coded highlighting or digital tools can help you see where particular themes appear. This makes it easier to find examples for essays or discussions. Organizing your notes by text or topic is also important. Keep notes for each literary work separate but linked by themes or critical questions. Digital tools like spreadsheets or note applications can help you sort and cross-reference ideas. For instance, you might create a matrix that shows how different texts address the same theme or how various characters relate to a concept. Regularly reviewing and refining your notes is essential too. Spend time after reading or lectures to clean up and clarify your notes. This helps solidify your understanding and make studying more efficient. Try to recall key ideas aloud or explain them as if you were teaching someone else. This reinforces memory and comprehension. Lastly, consider using presentation or teaching notes for deeper engagement. Preparing notes as if you were going to teach or present the material can help you organize your thoughts logically. This approach forces you to think about sequencing and storytelling within your notes. By organizing literature notes with these strategies, you turn passive reading into active learning. This makes it easier to prepare for exams, write essays, or participate in discussions. The key is to capture the essence of the material in a clear, question-driven format and maintain a system that allows you to connect ideas across different readings.